Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here now to open my Gmail app. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to tap on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on add another account. Go ahead and click on Google. Enter your lock security pattern. Go ahead and enter the Gmail ID right here. So the Gmail ID you need to add right here has to be the Gmail ID of a particular lost phone. Once you enter the Gmail ID, proceed to next. Go ahead and enter the account password. Go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and click on I agree. Go ahead and add your recovery mail right here. Go ahead and click on save. Skip this for now. After you have successfully added the Gmail account of the lost phone to the account, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and confirm the account added successful. Click on here and it takes you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the Gmail account of the lost phone. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon again. Then it take you right here. Go ahead and click on manage your Google accounts. Then it take you right here. Go ahead and click on security and sign in. Then it take you right here. Go ahead and scroll down until you get to find a lost device. Click on find a lost device. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select your lost device. Enter the security lock pattern of the phone you are using to track. Then take you right here. Then in a few seconds, it's going to tell you the exact place where you can easily find that particular lost phone with your Gmail account. It's that simple. Then from here, you will be able to know how best to track the phone and how you can locate that particular phone offline without any stress. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.